Permutation Adventures. Five friends at Niagara Falls. Welcome to Crack the Numbers, where math meets real life in the most fascinating way. Here, we don't just solve problems, we live them. In this journey, you will learn the concept of permutation, not through formulas first, but through a story. We'll follow five friends as they explore every possible way to pose, play, and plan their perfect photo. Each twist in their story introduces a new mathematical challenge with step by step explanations that are easy to understand and fun to apply. Get ready to discover how math can feel real, visual, and alive only in Crack the Numbers. Are you ready? Here are five close friends: Aryan, Bela, Carlos, Dia, and Athens. Reunite after a long time for an unforgettable trip to Niagara Falls. Let's take a group photograph. But how many ways can they line up? To begin, they decide to take a picture with the waterfall behind them, standing in a straight line. How many different ways can they pose? Can you help find me the answer? Well, that's the first challenge question for you. Here is the solution: five friends, five spots. First position can be taken by any one of these five. Once that position has been taken, then we are left four people to choose from. And once that is filled, three, two, one. That is how it goes. So the total number of ways are 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times 1, which is 120. Here, I will introduce factorial notation to you. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 can be written as 5 factorial. Factorial really means, n factorial really means multiply from 1 to n all the numbers. We are going to use this notation a lot in permutation and combination. Now let's take up the second challenge question. Aryan and Bela whispers, "We want to be together in the photo." So now they must always stand side by side. This provides us an opportunity to learn the first variation. Two people in a group want to be together. So the question for you is, how many possible type of pictures can now be taken when Aryan and Bela are together amongst these five friends? Can you answer this question now? Well, the concept is that when Aryan and Bela are together, we will treat them as one block. So instead of five, we'll treat this as a group of four, and therefore, total number of pictures which can be taken is 4 factorial, means 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, 1. But wait, Aryan and Bela can switch their position. That means times 2. So the solution should be 4 factorial times 2. That is 24 times 2 or 48 ways. Make sense? It gets too much. The others aren't happy about it. Fine, they say. You two stay at the ends. Now, Aryan and Bela are on the two extremes with all the other three friends right in between. Tell me, how many combinations of pictures can be taken for these friends now? I hope you're finding it interesting. Figure out the solution. So, let us break it up. The two at the end, they can swap their positions, so there are only two ways for them. Now, three in the center. Three in the center means 3 factorial, 3 times 2 times 1. Can you figure out the solution now? Perfect. It is 3 factorial times 2, means 6 times 2, 12 ways. Now, here is the next twist to the situation. Ethan, usually quiet, finally speaks. I want to be in the center. Now tell me, with Ethan at the center and all the others around him, five in a row, how many types of positions can they take? So I hope the concept is clear now. Ethan in the center, one, right? The other four can swap, change the positions, means 4 factorial. So we have 4 factorial ways of this arrangement: 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, 1. That is the solution. Now, here is the most exciting part of the whole story. The friends decide to have a great picture by jumping up high so that the Niagara Falls can be seen under them. Well, one person decides to stay on the ground, the rest four jumps. How many possible arrangements can now be there for their epic photograph? Do you find it challenging? No. Oh, those four friends who jump, they are four factorial chances, right? But one on the ground. These could be any of those five, and therefore the solution is 5 times 4 factorial, that is 120 ways. From simple lineups to creative challenges, every photo became a math adventure. That's the magic of permutation. Now, here is a suggestion: make your own story, develop characters, and along with me, create problems. Problems to solve as we go along during this chapter. You will learn and grasp every concept the way a STEM leader should. Follow my book and bring alive the real experiences. Thank you and all the best.